Hello guys, today I'll show you iPhone XR what's inside. So this is a red color product, red, and this one iPhone XR. So I'm going to show you what's inside this iPhone XR. So let's open it. First of all, they have a two screw, but this one doesn't have a screw, so I'll just try to open without a screw. So let's open and see. You can see the iPhone XR. After iPhone X, all of them, even latest iPhone, the inside same like this. Okay, let me show you which one is like the job for which parts. So let's see. This is battery, this is vibration, this is calling haptic engine. You see, this is a haptic engine. But old one, this one they have a little bit motor, but this one is latest version, so that's why this one have a haptic engine. So this one is speaker, there is charging port, there is microphone. You can see the golden right there. This is the microphone. This one is SIM tray. They have a CPU, RAM. This one is calling motherboard. This one is calling motherboard. All of them. This one is battery. Everyone knows the battery. So this is the main camera, back camera. This one. This is a Face ID. This one is not camera. Camera is this one. You see, must be here camera. So one is Face ID, another one is Sensor ID. Okay, so this one is Sensor ID, Face ID. This one is camera. This one. You see, this one is camera. Right there, like this. Okay, so there is a speaker. This one is ear speaker. But iPhone XR, they working when you play song. They both of them working. Both of them same sound. Little bit slow and longer. So this one is sensor. This one sensor, like when you call and you can see the light goes off. When you hang up the call and take your phone on hand, then you see the light. This one is that sensor. This one is ear speaker. This one is microphone. Like when you make a call and make a loudspeaker using this mic. You see. This one using this mic. So okay, this one is speaker, and here is the main motherboard. This one is still running. You make the battery and repeat again. So let's try to turn it on again. This is the flex connector for this. This one is display connector, this one is touch connector. And you see, this one must be, see this connector, this speaker, sensor, everything. Okay, so here is the iPhone XR. Let's try to make maybe it don't have a charge. Yeah, I see. The battery is flat. But you see, it's the iPhone XR. Okay. Next time I'll open everything, like every parts, battery, SIM tray, camera. I'll show you everything. But okay, must like and subscribe and share the video so my channel can grow and I can make video like this more from the deeper side. Thank you for watching. Bye. Take care.